Hello from Hall 6 at Interpack, where I'm at the Coesia booth today. I will be interviewing Hans Gronquist, Head of Business Development, Warehouse Automation and E-Commerce at Flexlink, and Daniele Cassani, Digital Transformation Manager at Flexlink, who will launch and present the new automation system, BRIXX. Please follow me. Hans, at Interpack you launched a new packing automation solution for e-commerce and co-packers. Can you briefly describe BRIXX and its primary benefits?
Yeah, we're very happy to launch our new concept BRIXX here at Interpack. And BRIXX is a new modular click-and-play solution to reduce the need for manual operations and to allow quick transformations for co-packing industry.
And how exactly does BRIXX address the challenges in the packaging industry?
Well, today generally consumers, they expect more and more personalization, greater freedom of choice, and this affects the retailers. So they have a need to order smaller quantities, and they also want shelf-ready products, and that's what BRIXX are for.
And Danielle, what are some common applications for the system?
BRIXX can help our customer to automatize the process as palletizing, depalletizing, which is picking a product from a pallet or putting back in the pallet, mixing product, labeling, wrapping. We have also features like case erecting and case closing, tray forming. Basically every process in the repackaging can be automatized.
And surely something sets the BRIXX system apart from other automation solutions. What exactly is that?
Of course. The thing that sets apart BRIXX from every other automation solution is the modularity and the simplicity of use. All the behaviors are pre-configured in the modules, so it's very easy for operators without any skills of engineering or robot programming to be able to set up the line and execute the automated processes.
And as a final question, talking green, how would the BRIXX system influence companies' sustainability efforts?
Beside the fact of limiting the number of equipment that you need, because you can reuse the modules, I would say that the main contribute to sustainability of BRIXX is the fact that you can bring repacking closer to the production facility, so that you reduce the amount of kilometers that you need to travel, packaging material, and so on.
Well, that all sounds very great, and I'm sure you will have a successful launch with the new BRIXX system. Danielle, Hans, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.